wood branch. We're gonna cut across to the next fire road, which I think is Ledford Branch. Did you say you're hungry?
Yeah.
Why didn't you eat?
I didn't think about it. Well, at least I'll be even more hungry now.
Yeah, no doubt. All right, let's get down this one. Not enough speed to make that a pretty jump. This is kind of the opposite way to ride this trail. I prefer to do it the other direction. Left my fork on. One more. Yeah, one more.
No doubt.
Oh, my legs are really fatigued from our last ride. Whew. Spin out. Wet rock. Or wet tire. Hey, what are you doing walking? Oh, that's an easy one. I spun out on the rock with a wet tire. See, I ain't lying. Tire's wet. Okay. All right. Let's try to ride this out. Picnic tables. Yay. And we gotta go up this boring fire road. Right here. All right. Boring steep fire road. I try to get up to the Ingles Field connector, which I've never been down. I've been down Ingles Field both directions, up and down, but never the connector. So we're gonna try to take it up once we get to the top. Actually, I think this is getting close to the top, or to where we want to be. These boring fire road climbs, I swear. Gotta remember Sir Isaac Newton's rule to get you through these. What goes up must come down. Whew. Oh boy. This is a spot. Whew. Pretty good. Oh. It's only about a mile and a half, but pretty steep mile and a half. All right. We got to go up that little jewel. That little daisy. I've never been up it that way, but I've never been up that trail at all. But it does not look that fun from what I can see. Hopefully that goes downhill from there, from the top of that. I don't know, we'll have to see. All right, let's see how punishing this is going to be. Oh, yeah, it looks promising for punishment. Let's see. I'm always willing to give it a try. A little pedal power needed there. Did you make it up? Nice. Couldn't have done that a few months ago. Oh, that was a nice one. I thought she was gone. Oh, yay. What have we gotten ourselves into here? Unless we were out for climbing. Oh, boy. Well, it does look like we need to elevate a good ways to get up this peak.
I think it's only downhill we can get some like fire.
Now we'll get some before then. Let's just see where this takes us. All right. Lean up over the handlebars. Oh, come on, baby. Plateau. Oh, and that's my fitness plateau. Whew. Watch out, got one coming down. Hey, how are you? I would have gone much faster than that. No, not really. All right. Okay. Let's keep plugging away. What's this despair I sense? Mountain biking, like many things, is like life. It's got its ups and downs. And this is an up, but it's a down, if you know what I mean. Oh, you jinxed us. Yeah. See? You saw a slight bit of level, which leads to more climbing. That's good. Sweat out your impurities. Yeah, I definitely think this trail was designed to enjoy from the opposite direction that we're going in. Woo! All right, onward we go. Whew. All right, so I'm gonna check out some trail forks. As I'm not real sure where this goes. I mean, I'm kind of sure, but let's see. Bent Creek, not Bement Creek. Bent Creek. Whew. All right, loading Bent Creek. All right, where the heck are we? Let's see. Oh, we're 2/3 of the way up it. Right there we are, and that's where we want to be. And we're gonna be, oh heck yeah, we're gonna be like 3/4 of the way up Inglesfield. Man, I don't need a burr as bad as I thought I did. All right, let's go. Let's do this. We've made more progress than I thought. Okay, so we've reached another flat spot. I like to call these my plateaus. I'm not ready to break through them yet. Nolan's not big enough to drag me out when I have a heart attack, so whew. We're gonna get the old heart rate back down here. Let me tell you, I'm liking this route though. Yeah, Inglesfield connector to the last quarter of Inglesfield to 5 points, and then we're going to go down, I believe, a little Hickory is what we're going to be bombing down back to the car. It's going to be awesome. But we're going to earn it first. I see a sign.
Oh, here we are.
Okay. I think we need to hang a sharp left. Woo! And we're off. Look at that. Inglesfield Gap indeed. And we've cut out 3/4 of it this way. What was it? A cat.
Yeah.
Well, I don't mind a cat.
Like Nelson.
As long as it's not a big cat. Which you shouldn't see out here. That would be almost next to sighting Bigfoot. Seeing a mountain lion out here. It's not impossible though. Definitely plenty of black bear. But they're pretty sweet. Stay out of their way. All right, let's get this misery out of the way. Now this little booger of a climb and turn is done. Eat it alive. You're on film, so don't let us down. All right. You'll probably make it, and I probably won't, and that'll be awesome. Go. Come on, get those pedals going. Get up over those handlebars. Go, 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 go. Pedal it out. Nice. Let's see if I can do it now. Keep going. Oh boy. Pedal speed, pedal speed. Pedal strike. I hit my pedal on a rock. I almost made it. Let's keep going. If I had to classify my skills, I would call myself an upper level, entry level, slash maybe entry level, intermediate level. I don't know. enough to be dangerous for sure. Oh, this is, I'm not gonna jinx it and say this is easy. This is really hard. Because if you say it's easy, you're gonna jinx it. And you're gonna get up here and it's gonna be uphill. Ingles Field Gap. One of my favorite trails, really, particularly at Bent Creek. A little speed here. Some nasty rocks there. Oh, this is a fun part. How much momentum can you get such that you don't have to pedal up? Because I know I'm going to peter out at some point on that hill. Question is, how far before that happens? All right, Nolan, so the contest is, let's go as fast as you can and see how much momentum you can get to get back up that steep incline that's right up there. See it? Yeah. All right. I'm gonna watch you. I'm gonna follow your expertise on this. All right, hit it. Yeah, you go ahead. Yeah, I'm watching you. I'm watching and learning. You better go faster than that. You better pedal. Oh no. Well, that's okay. You didn't make it. Hey.
What up, man? How you doing?
Good, good.
You guys all right?
Yes, sir.
It's just me.
Oh, see, I like the way he did it. All right, let's try that. Ah. Oh, not bad, not bad. Not bad. Hey, it doesn't let up though. That's a little steepy right there. Woo! This is not fun. It is, but it's not. I mean, it is fun, it's just punishment. It's fun when you look back on it. When you're suffering through it, not that much fun. Whew. You are? We get going down this single track. I'm gonna try to go pretty fast, so I'll stop every so often.
Yeah, I mean, we can just meet.
Yeah, I won't like go to the end of it, but all right. Hey, try to throw me into a boulder. Woo. Hey, big root rather. Hey. I'm gonna wait on Mr. Nolan. Whew. Some pretty good stuff there. Hey, right behind me. Right behind me, weren't you?
Good job. Hey,
That was
awesome.
that was fun. All right, you ready to hit another piece? That slowed me down. Woo! Big rock. That didn't sound good. Leveling out. Oh, jagged rocks. There's some nasty rocks here. They're not big, but they're sharp. I gotta get the right gear here. Come on, Marge. Speed up. Woo. Oh. In the weeds. Ha. Oh. Inclines. Maybe I got my hopes up too soon. Whew. Sheesh. Oh. Hey. All right, onward and forward. That's enough middle-aged overweight whining. Whew. Can't get past the middle age, but can get over the overweight. Hope to make that happen. All right, it looks like we're starting back down. I'm gonna see what I can do. Okay, I'll wait on you. Oh, jagged, very jagged. Phew. Ah, holy. Hey, 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 hey. Sometimes you got to talk to the rocks, let them know who the boss is. You're not throwing me, sucker. Hey, you might blow my tire, but especially a fat boy on a hard tail. Woo! Ho, 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 hey! Yeah, these rocks are naughty. They gotta be talked to rough. All right. Whew. Through the creek. Oh. Rock garden. Sheesh. Saddle in the nads. All right. Oh, there he is. He's closer than I thought. Good job. Get over that rock garden. Nice. All right. Got another nice stretch. Another nice stretch here. Ready? Here we go. Sheesh. Woo. I'm scared to hit any of these little jumps because I don't want to land on this tire and burst it. We've got 250, 55 pounds of riding weight on a hardtail. And you land on these rocks, you can definitely bust a tire. I've done it, believe me. Whew. Can't wait to get my full suspension that I ordered. Hopefully I'll alleviate some of that problem. Whew. It's a fun little run out right here. Yeah. Woo. Don't let go of those grips. Woo. Woo. Side hill. Indeed. All right. Wait on Mr. Nolan right here. See if we can catch him coming down. Come on, Nolan. Woo, come on. Nice. Nice technique. Whew. That was a fun little.
That was good, man.
Yeah. We got a little bit.
Okay, I heard like your tire sound like something popped.
Yeah, I'm just eating these sharp rocks up, and they're about to eat me up. I think this is about the end. Let's go ahead and bomb down this last piece and get out of here before we run out of daylight. Yeah. All right. Woo. All right. Oh. Hey. Whoa. Where's the trail? Okay, there it is. Ha! Big boulder. You okay? Ha ha! And Laurel Branch, is that what that said? We have reached the end. That's where Greens Lick spills out. That's Side Hill. We just finished Side Hill. Hickory, what was it? Hickory Nut to Side Hill. Or Hickory Top. I always want to call it Hickory Nut. Hickory Top, Nut, whatever. Hickory something. Greens Lick. Want to pedal up Greens Lick?
You sure?
You want to?
Nah, man.
Come on, let's do it.
Yeah, it's up to you.
You want to go?
Up to you.
I'm just kidding. You think I'm nuts? Let's roll the heck out of here. Come on.
Yeah, we are losing.
Yeah, we are losing it. A little rocky right there. It's a little rocky right there. All right. Fire road out, baby. Rock and roll. Pretty cool trails, man. What is your assessment? 5 out of 5 stars.
5.
I'm giving it 4.5.
Well, you mean like just for today?
Yeah, just this loop.
5.
Really?
It was worth it.
I might stretch 4.8. 5, you're gonna have to really do some good. I felt like I had to climb a little too hard for it to be a 5. But
well, yeah, probably 4.5.
but I'm old and fat and lazy, so